Okay, next problem is dump truck problem. Okay, there will be 6 dump trucks are used to haul coal from the entrance of the small mine to the railroad. Okay, there will be 6 dump trucks are used to haul coal from the entrance of the small mine to the railroad. Okay, each truck is loaded by one of 2 loaders. Okay, the number of loaders are there, 2 loaders are there. Number of dump trucks are there, 6 dump trucks are there. Okay, these 6 dump trucks will be loaded by any of these 2 loaders. Okay, after loading, a truck immediately moves to the scale. Okay, scale, why the truck will be moved to the scale? To weight. Okay, to find the weight of that truck. Okay, and once the truck is immediately moved to the scale to the to be weighed as soon as possible. Okay, so first the dump trucks will be go to the loader. Loaders will loads the truck. Then after loading, the dump trucks will go to the scale, weighing scale. Weighing scale, what will be done? Weight of that loaders will be identified. Okay, after that, both the loaders and scale have works like first come first serve waiting line for the trucks. Okay, loaders also follow first come first serve, as well as scale also will be follow first come first serve. Okay, whichever the truck comes first, that will get loaded by the loader, and whichever truck comes to the scale, that truck will get weighed first. Okay, because both the loaders and scale will follow first come first serve waiting line for the trucks. Okay, and travel time from the loader to the scale is considered as negligible. Okay, travel time from loader to scale is negligible. Okay, the same place only we have the loader as well as scale. Okay, we will not consider that travel time from loader to scale. After being weighed, the truck begins travel. Okay, why once loading is done, after loading weighing is done, truck will start for traveling. Okay, travel, and it will go and it will unload and come back to the loader queue. Okay, after being weighed, a truck begins travel. Okay, during which it will unloads the loading. Okay, and then the truck will return to the loader. This is dump truck problem. You can see, visualize it, how it looks like. We have total number of dump trucks are 6. Okay, these are, just consider, these are the dump trucks, and we have 2 loaders. Okay, and loaders are having a queue called loader queue, and which will be, this queue will follow first come first serve. Okay, the one the truck which comes first to the queue, that truck will get loaded first by the loaders. We have 2 loaders. The truck which comes to the loader, comes for the loading, any one of the loader which is free, that will loads that truck. Okay, we have 2 loaders. Okay, after loading, the trucks will be moved to the scale. Okay, scale also will be having a weighing queue. The truck which will come for the weighing, that need to be weighted if the scale is busy. Here we have only one scale. Okay, after loading, trucks comes here, and it will be wait for the scale in the weighing queue. Okay, once weighing scale is free, truck will be allocated for the scale. That means the truck's weight will be identified, and then truck will start moving. In this traveling, the truck will unload it, and again the truck will come back to the loader queue for loading. Okay, this is dump truck problem. Okay, here what parameters we need to consider, we will see here. Okay, here this dump truck problem has these following components. That is, system state will be having is LQ of t, L of t, WQ of t, W of t. Here LQ of T is nothing but number of trucks in the loader queue at time T. Okay. L of T is nothing but number of trucks being loaded at time T is L of T. Okay. Next, W of T is number of trucks in the weighing queue at time T is W of T. Next, W of T is number of trucks being weighed at time T. Okay. LQ of T will be maintaining how many trucks in the waiting for the loader. Okay, that is LQ of T. Okay, number of trucks which are loading will be represented under L of T. Okay, number of trucks who are waiting in the waiting queue for the scale purpose, weighing purpose, that will be represented under WQ of T. Okay, and number of trucks being weighed at that time will be represented as W of T, because here we have only one scale, so it will be 1 or 0. Okay, if the scale is busy means W of T will be 1, if scale is free means it is 0. But loaders, we have two loaders are there. Okay. Next, event notices will be having the components like this: ALQ, comma T, comma DTI. Okay, DTI is represents the dump truck number. Okay, here it is ALQ is nothing but arrival of loading queue. Okay, the dump truck I arrives at loader queue at time T will be represented like this: ALQ, comma T, comma DTI. Okay, DTI is dump truck number. Okay, whether it is DT1 or DT2 or DT3, dump truck number. Okay, T represents the time, at what time it arrived to loader queue. Okay, arrival of truck, arrival of loader queue is represented like this: ALQ, comma T, comma DTI. Okay, truck I arrives at loader queue at time T. Okay, next event is EL, comma T, comma DI. Okay, EL, here DI represents the dump truck I, EL represents the ends loading. Okay, it is nothing but the departure event. After completion of loading, it will be departure, right? Here EL, comma T, comma DI represents the dump truck I ends loading at time T. Okay, this completion of loading, the this is arrival time, this is departure time to the, this is arrival time to the loader, this is departure time from the loader. Okay, next one is the EW, comma T, comma DTI, that is dump truck I ends weighing at time T. Okay, weighing, this is departure from the weighing, departure from the scale. Okay, dump truck I ends weighing at time T will be represented as EWT DTI. Okay, here the entities are 6 dump trucks. That dump trucks are represented as DT1, DT2, DT3, DT4, DT5, DT6. Okay, so we are assumed that dump trucks numbers like this: D1 is nothing but dump truck 1, D2 is dump truck 2. Like that we have represented as from DT1 to DT6, 6 dump trucks we have represented. Okay, next is list. The list will be having loader queue, all the trucks waiting to begin loading. Okay, ordered on first come first served basis. That's what we have discussed. The loader queue will maintains the trucks in first come first served basis, whereas in waiting queue, all the trucks waiting to be weighed. Okay, waiting for the scale. Here in the way, the trucks who are waiting in the weighing queue will be waiting for the scale purpose, weighing purpose. Okay, and all these also will be ordered in the form of first come first serve basis. And here the activities are loading time, weighing time, travel time. We have three different times. For loading, how much time will take? After loading, trucks will move to the weighing, how much time it will take, plus it will move to the travel. Okay, traveling, how much time it will take to unload it, and again it will be reach back to the loaders. That is travel time. Okay, next here delay is delay at loader queue and delay at the scaling queue can be calculated here as delay. Okay, so first we'll take down the problem dump truck problem. Here the dump truck problem activities of loading time, weighing time and travel time is given like this. The loading time are 10, 5, 5, 10, 15, 10, 10. Okay, these are the loading time. Weighing times are 12, 12, 12, 16, 12, 16. Okay, next the travel time is given like this: 60, 40, 100, 40, 80. Okay, this is the travel time. Understood this? Next, depict the simulation table and estimate the loader and scale utilizations. Assume that 5 of the trucks are at the loaders and 1 is at the scale at time simulation clock time 0. Okay, here they have given that 5 trucks are at loaders at simulation clock time 0. One truck is doing weighing at scale at simulation clock time 0. Okay, so dump truck 1 is at scale for weighing. Remaining all 5 trucks are at the loader. Okay, 2 trucks are getting loaded and remaining 3 trucks will be at loading queue. Okay, they have mentioned that assume that 5 of the trucks are at the loaders and 1 is at the scale at time 0. Estimate the loader and scale utilization up to simulation ending time is equal to 76 simulation clock time. Okay, they are asking us to simulate it for 76 clock time. Okay, we can solve this problem by this first the cumulative statistics which we need to calculate here is BL and BS. BL is nothing but total busy time of both loaders from the time 0 to time t. Okay, from simulation clock time 0 to that particular time, what is the total busy time of both loaders, because we have two loaders. Okay, both the loaders busy time we need to calculate by using BL. BS is total busy time of the scale from time 0 to time 1, but we have here scale is only one scale. Okay, total busy time of the scale at that simulation clock time we need to calculate by using BS. Okay, and here we have represented that drum truck problem in this way. Okay, here in the question they have given at simulation clock time 0 there is one truck at the scale that we have assumed at dt of dt1. Okay, dt1 dump truck 1 is at scaling. Remaining 5 trucks are at loader they have given in the question. Okay, so we have two loaders, so two loaders means two trucks will be getting loaded by the loader. Remaining 3 trucks will be at loader queue. We need to assume it like this. Okay, so the values are statistics will be like this. At simulation clock time 0, LQ of t will be 3. LQ of t is nothing but loader queue, that is 3. L of t is 2. At the loader how many trucks are there? 2 trucks, that is dt2 and dt3. Okay, 2 trucks are there, so we'll write L of t is 2. Next, weighing Q No truck is at the weighing queue, so it is 0. At the weighing scale, there is one truck, that is W of t will be 1. Okay, the truck which is at weighing at scale is dt1. Okay, like this, from the question we have we'll write the parameters like this. Understood, right? At dt1 is at scale, so we'll write W of t is equal to 1. And at that time, simulation clock time 0, no one is at waiting for the weighing machine. Okay, so WQ of t will be 0. Okay, and we have two loaders. In the question they have told at the loader 5 trucks are there. Okay, so we have two loaders. Two loaders are free, means the trucks will be occupied by that two loaders for loading purpose. So dt2 and dt3 are getting loaded by the loaders. So lt of t will be 2. Okay, remaining we have only 3 trucks, dt4, dt5, dt6. Those 3 trucks are at LQ of t. Okay, loader q, they will be at loader q. 3 trucks. Okay, whatever problem they have given, statistics, we will rewrite it, because already truck 1's loading time is completed. We don't know. Okay, how much time it took for loading, we don't know. It is already loading is done for the first truck. First truck is doing weighing at weighing scale. Okay, so there is no loading time for the truck 1. So we'll make it loading time for the truck 1 is 0. Okay, so next, remaining values they have given for the loading time is 10, 5, 5, 10, 15, 10, 10. That will write it like this. Okay, 10, 5, 5, 10, 15, 10, 10. Okay, first one will remove that loading time, because first truck is already loaded. When the simulation clock time 0 itself, the truck is at weighing machine. Okay, weighing machine waiting for, it is doing weight calculation we are doing here for dump truck 1. Okay, next, waiting time. Here the waiting time is given here. For the truck 1 is 12, truck 2 uh, truck 2 is weighing time. Truck 1's weighing time is 12 minutes. Truck 2's weighing time is 12 minutes. Truck 3's waiting time is 12 minutes. Truck 4 16 minutes. Truck 5 12 minutes. Truck 6 16 minutes. So we'll write it like this: 12 12 12 16 12. Okay, after this again we'll repeat these values again. Okay, 12 12 for the same truck 1. Again, how much time it will take for weighing? It will again take 12 minutes and 12 minutes. So we are repeating it again, because we have more loading time. Okay, so we have written it as it is. Again we have repeated this 12 12 to loader 1, truck 1 and truck 2. Okay, next, travel times they have given is 60, 40, 100, 40, 80. So here the travel time is 60, it is 40, okay, it is 100. Okay, this is the travel time. And for truck 4 travel time is 40, truck 5 travel time is 80. Okay, we'll write it like this. Understood, right? This is the first row of the simulation table will be like this. So for every row's calculation I have given here in the notes. Okay, this is the first row. First row, what will happen? Simulation clock 0. At simulation clock 0, LQ of t is 3. Simulation clock 0, LQ of 3 is 0, right? We have calculated here in this. At simulation clock time 0, LQ of t is 3. We'll write it as it is. LQ of 3 is, LQ of t is 3. L of t is 2. Okay. L of t is 2. Two trucks at the loader. That is DT2 and DT3. Okay. Next, WQ of t is 0. No one is waiting for the weighing. So WQ of t is 0. And only one truck is at weighing mission. So that is DT1. So W of t is having one truck. So it is 1. Okay. Next, loader Q. What the loader Q's consists of? Loader Q consists of 3 trucks, that is DT4, DT5, DT6. Okay. DT4, DT5, DT6 are waiting for the loading. Okay. So loader Q consists of DT4, DT5, DT6. So we'll represent here loader Q having DT4, DT5, DT6. What is there in the weighing queue? Weighing queue at simulation clock time 0, no one is there. So that we leave it empty. And future event list, how to write the future event list? Future event list, next future events which are going to occur is, one is ending of loading can occur for DT2, and ending of loading can be occur for DT3. Okay. Here DT2 and DT3 are getting loaded by the loaders. Okay. The future events are ending loading for DT2 can occur, ending loading for the DT3 can occur. And one more event which is going to occur here is ending scaling for the ending weighing for the DT1. These are the 3 future events which are going to occur. These 3 events we are representing here in this. Okay. Ending loading for the DT3 which will occur at simulation clock time. What is the loading time for the DT3? DT3's loading time is 5. Okay. So we write it as ending loading time for the DT3 is simulation clock time 5. Okay. Next, ending loading time for the DT2. What is the ending loading time for the DT2? Ending loading time for the DT2 is 10 minutes. Simulation clock time 10. DT2's loading will be ended. So we'll represent it like this. EL, ending loading for the DT2 is simulation clock time 10. Okay. Next future event which is going to occur is scaling event for for dump truck 1. Okay. Dump truck 1's scaling event will be completed. Okay. Weighing event. That is when the weighing event will complete for the dump truck 1. That is, we can come to know from this table. Weighing time for the truck 1 is 12 minutes. Okay. It will take 12 minutes to get weighed by the weighing machine. Okay. So weighing will be completed for the dump truck 1 is at simulation clock time 12. So we'll represent this 12 here in this table. Okay. In future event list. EW, that is ending weighing event at simulation clock time 12 for DT1, dump truck 1. Okay. Now, what is BL? BL is busy time of the loaders. Okay. At simulation clock time, busy, that time only the simulation has been started. So BL value will be 0. Busy server time. Until at simulation clock time, we don't only that time the simulation is started. BS is also 0. Okay. Until that time, we need to write the total server busy times, total loaders busy time. Okay. Now these events we need to arrange in ascending order. Okay. So the event which is going to occur in future, the first event which is going to occur in the future is DT3, ending loading of DT3 at simulation clock time 5. Here in this second row, the clock is advanced to clock time t equal to 5, because as here we have in the future event list, that is ending loading time of dt3, which is going to occur at clock time, simulation clock time 5. Okay, so the clock is advanced to 5 here. Okay, we have advanced the simulation clock to 0 to simulation clock 5. Okay, as we have here L comma 5 comma dt3 is the least imminent event. Okay, so among these events, we have one event is going to occur at simulation clock time 10, another event is which is going to occur at simulation clock time 12. In this, which is the least imminent event is ending loading event of dt3, which is going to occur at simulation clock time 5. Okay, so we will advance the clock from 0 to 5. Okay, at this point, how the simulation will look, drum truck will look, we'll see here. Here the drum truck will problem will look like this. Here at simulation clock time 5, what will happen, the dt3 will complete its loading. Okay, so dt3 will complete its loading, and it will go to the weighing scale. Okay, weighing scale is busy weighing the dt1, so dt3 will be waiting for the weighing. So dt3 will be in wq of t. Okay, weighing q, dt3 will be in weighing q. So now this loader will become free. Okay, so in that place we have the three trucks were waiting for the loading, that is dt4, dt5, dt6. So dt4 from this weighing queue, it will be shifted to the loader for loading purpose. Okay, so we have in the loader two trucks, that is dt2, dt4, and we have at the weighing queue, that is dt3. We have at the scale dt1. Okay, that will update it here. Okay, these values will update in this statistics, that is lq of t will have number of trucks, that is two trucks dt6 and dt5 are at lq of t. Next, l of t, it is nothing but at the loader. At the loader we have two trucks, that is dt2 and dt4, so that will update it here. Next, wq of t, we have one truck, that is dt3, so we'll update wq of t equal to 1. Okay, next we have at the weighing scale only one truck, that is dt1. Okay, we have only one weighing scale, so this w of t will be either 1 or 0. If truck is there for the scale, then w of t will be 1, else it will be 0. Okay, understood this? That will update in the table. lq of t is equal to 2, l of t equal to 2, wq of t equal to 1, w of t equal to 1. Okay, and in the list loader queue, we have two trucks, that is dt5, dt6. Okay, in weighing queue we have only one truck, that is dt3. Okay. Next we need to find the future events. Ending loading event, which is going to occur at clock time 10, that is by dt2. Okay, truck 2 will ends the loading at simulation clock time 10. That will write it as it is. Okay, here one loader completed his loading. Okay, in that place we need to add another truck started his loading. Okay, so that is dt4, and dt4's weighing, what is the loading time, we'll see from this table. dt4's loading time is 5 minutes. Okay, so 5 is the DT4's weighing time. And what time the weighing has been started here? Weighing started at simulation clock time 5. So 5 plus 5, 10 is the ending time for loading for the DT4. So we'll write EL comma 10 comma DT4. Okay. And next one future event which is going to occur is ending weighing event, which is of DT1, which is going to occur at simulation clock time 12. Okay, we'll write that in the future event list. Okay, now we'll find the busy loader time. Okay, here we have number of loaders are 2 loaders. Okay, this is the BL is total busy loader time. Okay, at simulation clock time 5, the loader 1 is busy, as well as loader 2 also busy. So 5 plus 5, it is 10. So busy loader time is 10 at simulation clock time 5. Okay, busy scaling time, total busy scaling time is also 5 at simulation clock time 5, because we have only one scale, and that scale was busy scaling the DT1. Okay, so we'll update this row like this. Next, we need to advance the simulation clock to 10 by how we'll advance the simulation clock to 10. Here, in these future events, we have ending loading time of DT2 is at simulation clock time 10, and ending loading time of DT4 at simulation clock time 10, and ending weighing time of DT1 at simulation clock time 12. Among these future events, the most the least imminent event is are two events which are going to occur, that is ending loading events of DT2 and DT4. Okay, two events which are going to occur at simulation clock time 10. Okay, so we are doing it one by one. Okay, first I will consider simulation the loader, the truck DT2 will complete its loading. Okay, so that loader, that truck 2 will be moved from the loader to weighing queue. Okay, so weighing queue will be updated to 2. Now there will be one place is free here at the loader. So loading queue, we have two trucks are there, that is DT5 and DT6. So DT5 will be shifted to the loader for loading. Okay, so loader queue will be updated as 1, L of T will be updated as 2, and weighing Q will be updated as 2. Okay, and weighing scale is as it is 1 only, because weighing scale is busy weighing the DT1. Okay, so W of T will be 1 as it is. Okay, and in the list loader Q, we have only one truck, that is DT6. Okay, and weighing scale, we have two trucks, that is DT3 and DT2. Okay, two trucks. Next, what are the future events here? That is one more event which is going to occur at simulation clock time 10, that is completion of ending loading event of DT4, that is at simulation clock time 10. Okay, next ending weighing unit of weighing event of DT1 at simulation clock time 12. Okay, and here one more event which will be which is added here is ending loading event for the DT5, because DT5 is shifted from the loading queue to loader. Now we need to identify when this DT5's loading will be ended. That we'll see from this table. Okay, DT5's loading will be completed at simulation clock time 10. Okay, at simulation clock time 10, DT5 will complete its loading. That will update in the table. Okay, so and here at simulation clock time 10, DT5 is shifted to the loader for loading purpose, and it will take 10 more minutes to complete its loading. Okay, so at simulation clock time 20 only, DT5 can complete its loading. So we'll write 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. At simulation clock time 20, DT5 will complete its ending loading. Okay, at this time, what is the total busy loader busy loading time is that at simulation clock time 10 is, until simulation clock time 10 loader is busy. Okay, we have two loaders, so 10 plus 10, it is 20. Okay, what is the total busy scaling time until simulation clock time 10? Scale is busy scaling the DT1. So total busy scaling of busy total busy scale time of scale is at simulation clock time 10 is 10. Okay, now one more event which will be occurring at simulation clock time 10, that is ending loading event of DT4. Okay, DT4 also completing its loading at simulation clock time 10. So loader will become free. DT4 completes its loading and it will be shifted to weighing queue. Right, after completion of loading, the truck will be shifted to weighing queue. Okay, now the truck which is waiting at loading queue will be shifted to the loader. Okay, the truck which is waiting at the loading queue is DT6. Now DT6 will be shifted to loader. So now no one is there in the weighing loader queue. Okay, so loader queue will be 0. LQ of T will become 0. L of T will be 2, and weighing queue will be one more truck is added to the weighing queue, that is DT4. So totally weighing queue will be having three trucks. Okay, at scale we have only one truck, that is DT1. Okay, so if you see the list of loader queue is 0. Okay, there are no trucks at the loader queue at simulation clock time 10. Okay, then weighing queue we have three trucks, that is DT3, DT2 and DT4. Okay, now we need to write simulation update the future event list. Here the future event list of ending weighing time of DT1 is 12. Okay, that is as it is from the previous future event list, we will update it. Okay, next another future event which is going to occur at ending loading time of DT5, which will occur at simulation clock time 20. 10 plus 10, it is 20. That also will write it as it is. Okay, now we have the one, this event is removed from the future event list, that is ending loading time at simulation clock time 10 of DT4s. Okay, we need to add this for newly added truck which is for the loader is DT6. Okay, what is the DT6 ending loading time? We need to find it. Okay, so that we can find from this table. DT6 ending loading time is 15. Okay, 15 is the DT6 ending loading time. Okay, and at what time the loading started for the DT6? DT6 loading started at simulation clock time 10. So it is EL comma 10 is the time when the simulation loading is started for the DT6. Okay, so at simulation clock time 10, loading started for the DT6. So 10 plus, and what is the time it will take for the loading for DT6? That is 15. 10 plus 15, it is 25. At simulation clock time 25, DT6 will complete its loading. Okay, we have updated all three future events. Okay, next, what is the cumulative uh, statistics? That is total busy loader time at simulation clock time 20 is 20. Okay, loader is, both the loaders are busy until simulation clock time 10. Okay, we have two loaders, 10 plus 10, it is 20. Okay, total busy scaling time, we have only one scale, that scale is busy till simulation clock time 12. scaling the dt1, so it is busy, total busy scaling time also is 10. Okay, now we need to advance the simulation clock to 12 by using this future event list. Future event list, which is the least event, which is the event which is going to occur immediately. Okay, that is, so the future events will be writing in a ascending order with respect to simulation clock time. Okay, here ending weighing event of dt1, which is going to occur at simulation clock time 12. Okay, by using this we are advancing the simulation clock to 12. Okay, so among these timings 12, 20 and 25, the event which is occur at simulation clock time 12, that among these timings this event will occur first. Okay, that is ending weighing event of dt1. Okay, dt1 completes its weighing at simulation clock time 12. Okay, we'll advance the simulation clock from 10 to 12. Okay, at simulation clock time 12, the loaders, there is no one in the loader queue. Okay, so loader queue is 0, and loaders are busy loading. Okay, that which are there at the loaders dt5 and dt6 are busy loading. Okay, so loaders also will be, l of t will be also 2. Okay, and total number of trucks at the weighing queue, because at clock time, simulation clock time 12, the weighing scale become free. Okay, it will complete, weighing scale will complete the complete weighing of dt1. So from the weighing scale, dt1 will be moved to traveling. Okay, so weighing scale is free. So from the weighing queue, one truck will join the weighing scale. The truck which will join the weighing scale is, it is based on queues always first come first serve. Okay, dt3 came first to the weighing queue, so dt3 will be allocated the weighing scale. Okay, at weighing scale, dt3 will be weighing its weight. Okay, so w of t will be busy again at simulation clock time 12. It completed weighing of dt1 and it started weighing of dt3 at simulation clock time 12. Understood this? Next, here in the list, no one is there in the loader queue, so it is empty. Okay, then weighing queue, we have two trucks, that is dt2 and dt4. Okay, so what are the future events which are going to occur is, one is two loading events, one ending weighing event, and one arrival event. Okay, that is dt1 completed its weighing. Okay, and it will go for traveling, and then it will again arrive at the loading queue. That event we need to update it to the future event list. Okay, here the events which were already present in the future event list is, it is a ending event for the dt5 and ending loading event for the dt6. Okay, and the ending weighing event from the for the dt1 will be removed from the future event list, because this event is done at simulation clock time 12. Okay, so now the new event which we need to add to this future event is ending weighing event for the dt3, because at simulation clock time 12, dt3 started its weighing. Okay, so we need to add for the future event ending dt3's weighing event. Okay, so for that, how to come to know what time the dt3 completes its weighing? By seeing this table. Okay, dt3's weighing event will be ended at simulation clock time 12. Okay, at simulation clock time 12, dt3 will complete its weighing. Okay, and what time it has started weighing? dt3 started weighing at simulation clock time 12. So simulation clock time 12 plus and its ending weighing event which is occur after 12 minutes. Okay, so at 12 at simulation clock time 12 it started weighing, and it will take 12 more minutes to weigh. Okay, so ending weighing event for dt3 is 12 plus 12, it is 24. Okay, now here one more future event which is going to occur is arrival of arrival to the loading queue of dt1. Okay, so after completion of dt1 weighing, the dt1 will start its traveling. Okay, its traveling time will start, and after completion of traveling time, dt1 will be again come back to the loader queue. Okay, it will arrive to the loader queue. Now we'll find what is the dt1's travel time. Okay, dt1's travel time is 60 minutes. Okay, 60 minutes it will take to travel dt1. And what time it started, dt1 started its traveling? It started its traveling at simulation clock time 12. So arrival of loader queue will be 12 plus 60. Okay, 12 is the time dt1 started its travel, and it will take 60 minutes to complete its travel. So it is total 72 minutes. Okay, at 72 minutes, dt1 will arrive at loader queue. Okay, arrival of loader queue for the dt1 is simulation clock time 72. Okay, and what is the busy loader time here? Busy, we have two loaders at simulation clock time till simulation clock time 12. Both the loaders are busy loading. So busy loading time is 12 plus 12, it is 24. And busy scaling time, total busy scaling time at simulation clock time 12. We have only one scale, and that scale is also busy scaling the trucks. Okay, so at simulation clock time 12, busy scaling total busy scale also is 12. Okay, now we need to advance the clock. Okay, so how do we advance the clock? By seeing this future event list. Okay, in this future event list, which is the least time value which is consist of that event, depends on that event, we'll advance the clock. Okay, here we have four events. This ending loading event which will occur at simulation clock time 20, and at ending weighing event will complete at simulation clock time 24. Okay, ending loading event will complete at simulation clock time 25. Okay, and ending arrival event will occur at arriving to loader queue will occur at simulation clock time 72. Okay, among these, which is the least one? That is simulation clock time 20. Okay, at simulation clock time 20, ending loading event of dt5 will complete. Okay, so dt5 completes its loading, then the loader queue, there is no one, so it is 0 only. Okay, and at the loader dt5 at simulation clock time 20, dt5 completes its loading, then dt5 will move to weighing queue. Okay, so now weighing queue will be updated as 3. Previously it was 2, and dt5 will join this weighing queue, so it is 3. Okay, and by that time simulation clock time 20, weighing scale is busy weighing the dt3. Okay, so it is 1 only. Okay, if you list loader queue, no trucks are there, so we'll keep it empty. And weighing queue we have now dt2, dt4 and dt5. Okay, now the future events here is ending loading event of dt6, which is going to occur at simulation clock time 25. We'll write this as it is from this future event list. Okay, next another event which is going to occur at simulation clock time 24, that is ending weighing event for the dt3, and arrival of loading queue for the dt1 at simulation clock time 72. All three events will write it as it is here. These are the future events which are going to occur. Okay, now what is the busy loading time? Okay, that is at simulation clock time 20 we have two loaders. Until simulation clock time 20 both the loaders are working. Okay, they both the loaders are busy loading the trucks. Okay, so at simulation clock time 20 loader 1 loader 2 both are busy loading. So it is at simulation clock time 20 total loading is 40. Okay, busy loading is 40. That is loader 1 is 20, loader 2 is 20, 20 plus 20 it is 40. And busy scale at simulation clock time 20 is 20 because scale is busy for simulation clock time 20 because it was keep on scaling all the trucks until simulation clock time 20. So total busy time of simulation scale is 20 here. Okay, next we need to advance the simulation clock. Okay, from 20 to 24 depends on, this is based on the future event least value. Okay, least event which is the event which is going to occur immediately is ending weighing event for the dt3. Okay, dt3 will complete at simulation clock time 24. Okay, at simulation clock time 24 dt3 will complete its weighing. Okay, it completes its weighing. So now weighing queue we have three tracks, dt2 dt4 dt5. So dt2 will be shifted to scale. Okay, now the simulation now the weighing queue will be having only two tracks, that is dt4 and dt5 because scale is completed weighing for dt3. Now dt3 will be shifted to traveling. Okay, at the loader we have only one track, that is dt6. Okay, at the weighing queue we have two tracks, that is dt4 and dt5. At the scale we have one track, that is dt2. Okay, other two trucks are traveling now. Okay, now here we need to remove the future event from the future event list, that is ending weighing event of dt3 which is occurred at simulation clock time 24. That we'll need to remove it. In that place we need to add the ending weighing time for the dt2. Okay, that will come to know from this table. Okay, ending weighing time for the dt2 is 12. Okay, 12 is the ending weighing time for the dt2. So at what time the dt2's weighing started? At simulation clock time 24. It is ew comma 24 plus 12 minutes it will take for weighing. Okay, 24 plus 12 is the time when dt2 will complete its weighing. Okay, that will update. Now we need to at simulation clock time 24 dt3 completed its weighing, it started its traveling. Okay, what is the traveling time for dt3? That we need to update it here in the future event list. Okay, we'll come to know the travel time of dt3 from this table. dt3's travel time is 100 minutes. Okay, it will take 100 minutes to travel and reach back to the loader queue. Okay, arrival of loader queue at 100 minutes. At what time it started? dt3 started traveling at simulation clock time 24. So it is 24 plus 100. dt3 started its travel. Okay, that we will update in the future event list. Okay, now concentrate here. Total busy time of the loader. Here at simulation clock time 20 to 24, only one loader is busy, other loader is free. Okay, at loader only one truck is there, that is dt6. Okay, so only one loader is there. 40 plus 20, 24 minus 20 is equal to total busy time of the loader. Okay, only because only one loader is busy here. Okay, until simulation clock time 20 both the loaders are busy. So it is 20 plus 20, 40 we have written. Okay, from 20 to 24 clock time only one loader is busy. Okay, So 40 plus 24 minus 20, it is 44, we'll write here. Okay, at simulation clock time 24, the scale is still busy. So we'll write it as 24. Okay, next future event which is going to occur at simulation clock time 25. Okay, this is the least simulation clock time in future event list. So by using this, we will advance the simulation clock from 24 to 25. At 25, what event will occur? Ending loading event of DT6. Okay, DT6 completes its loading. So the DT6 will be shifted from the loader to the weighing queue. Okay, so now weighing queue is updated as 3 and weighing scale is still busy weighing. So it is 1. Okay. Now the weighing queue we have DT4, DT5 and DT6 are waiting for the weighing. Okay. Here the future event list is EW of 36, DT2 and travel of DT1 and travel of DT3 will be as it is in the future events. Okay. Now we'll calculate the busy loader time. Okay, from the simulation clock 24 to 25, only one loader was busy. Okay, so 44 plus 25 minus 24 is equal to 45. 45 is the total busy loader time at simulation clock time 25 is 45. Okay, total busy scaling time at simulation clock time 25 is 25 because the scale is busy for complete 25 minutes. Okay, so like this we need to solve this problem. Here I have solved it for 76 minutes. Okay, here in the question they have asked to find average loader utilization. Okay, that is that can be calculated by total busy time divided by number of loaders, that is 2 loaders, divided by total number of simulation time, that is 76 minutes, will get 0.32, and average scale utilization will, it is 76 divided by 76. Okay, 76 minutes, it is 1 is the average scale utilization.